Hey everyone, welcome to today's math lesson for June 19th. Today we will be talking about, we'll be comparing numbers. That means we're going to be looking at numbers that are bigger or smaller than the other one. So we'll start off with a quick game just to kind of refresh our memory. So this is Balloon Pop Math Compare Numbers. So what we're going to do is we are going to, pick the greater number, okay? So here we have 8 and 4. So which one is the greater number, or which one is bigger? Is it 4 or is it 8? That's right, it's 8. That's going to be our bigger number. All right, so pick the lesser number. So the lesser number means the smaller number. So is it going to be 2 or is it going to be 6? I think it's going to be 2. Yep, because 2 is less than 6. All right, so now we're picking the greater number. So that means that we are, if you've seen this before, remember that the alligator goes after the bigger number. So that's why the mouth is open. So in this case, the alligator is going to want the bigger number or the greater number. And here, the greater number is 3. All right, so now we pick the lesser number. So the alligator is going to go that way. So it's going to have its back to the lesser number. And here the lesser number is at 9 or 4. It's 4. That's right. All right, so now we're back to the greater number. We're watching for the alligator. The alligator always wants to go after the bigger number. So here, the greater number is 7. Okay. Back to lesser. That means the smaller number. Is it going to be 4 or 9? Yeah, it's going to be 4. All right. So, alligator is going after the bigger number now. Is it going to be 2 or 9? 2 or 9. Remember, the alligator wants to go after the bigger number. That's right. It's going to be 9. All right, now we pick the lesser number. Is it 3 or 5? Yep, it's 3. Got 2 more. Now we pick the greater number. The alligator is going after the bigger number, which is 8. Finally, pick the lesser number. So which one is the smaller number? Is it 8 or 6? And another way that you can think of it is like, I have 8 donuts or I have 6 donuts. Which one is the greatest one? Or $8 and $6. Which one is the least amount or the lesser number? So in this case, it's 6. And there you go. Very good. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and link this page to it. So this one is just single digit numbers. Now we're going to go ahead and go to 2-digit numbers, okay? So in this case, we are going to do some that are equal. So that means both of the numbers are going to be the same. But we're also going to use our handy dandy hundreds chart over here. There we go. It's a little bit in the way. So we can use our hundreds chart, and we can also use a different way. Okay. So first of all, when we're comparing numbers with 2-digit numbers, we're going to look at the tens first, okay? So then we decide, or the number in the tens place, and we decide whether the number in the tens place is bigger or lesser. So here we see that 9, we have a 9 in the tens place and a 7 in the tens place. So here, is 9 greater or is 7 greater? That's great. 9 is greater, so that means 92 is bigger than 79. And I'm going to go ahead and check on my chart. So 79 is around here, and 92 is around here. So that is correct. 92 is the greater number. So I'm going to use the alligator right here. There we go. 92 is greater than 79. Let's see if I can turn off the volume here. I don't think I can, but all right, same thing here. So first we compare the number in the tens place. So we're comparing 1 or 10 and 70. Sometimes I'll call it 1 and 7, but just keep in mind that it's actually a 10 and a 70. So here, is it going to be Which one's going to be the bigger number? 17 or 76? That's right. It's 76, and if we can check our chart again, 17 is right here, and 76 is all the way up here. So 76 is definitely the bigger number. I have to drag it. All right, so here we go again. We compare the number in the tens place first. 30 and 80. Which one is bigger? That's right, 80. Now, one thing I want to point out, I'm not forgetting the number in the ones place, but if I compare the number in the ones place first, and only that one, I can tell that 5 is bigger than 2. But I know that 35 is less than 82. So that's why I don't really compare the ones place, not until I have the same number in both of the tens places here. All right, same thing here. We have 70, literal 70, and 58. But I knew that 70 is 7 tens is bigger than 5 tens. Another example that I like to use, and I don't know why a lot of people get it, is comparing dollars. So I'm pretending that this is $53 and $77. So then my question would be, which one would you rather have? $53 or $77? And most of the time, actually all of the time, people say, well, I'd rather have $77. So then you can pretend to be the alligator, and you would go after the 77. Okay, so here, we play an even, do the even number. I don't know if we've gone over it yet, but we'll definitely go over it, later on. Alright, so here I'm supposed to go after the even numbers. Oh, here we go. Oh. This 3 is just all odd numbers. Oh. I can crash into people. This isn't a very... It's a very interesting game. Alright, so let's do a couple of more. Alright, so this is easy, right? Here we have 26 and 6. Now you might say, well, I'm going to compare the 6 and 6. Well, keep in mind, the 6 does not have anything in the tens place. This is just 1. If it's just a 1 number, then that means it's just the ones place. So again, ask yourself, would you rather have $26 or $6? This game's making a lot of noise, so sorry if I stay quiet. I'm trying to focus. Okay, 60 or 71? 71. Okay. 98 or 73? Which one is greater? Which one is lesser? 98 is greater than 73. How about 36 and 22? 36 is greater than 22. 79 and 99. Which one is greater? 99 is greater. Great. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and pause this here. So, I will go ahead and link this game. This is on ABC Ya. It's a pretty cool game. And I will also link this game right here at the bottom of the video and on Google Classrooms. Alright everyone, so that is the math lesson for today. I hope you learned a lot, and I will see you in the meeting or on Monday. Have a good weekend.